ketchup. It's a car full of ketchup. It's a trunk. No. It's a ski train. It's sweet. It's a screensaver. Oh man, you got me a screensaver. Oh. It's a fork or is it a spoon? It's a fork? Oh man. Sweet, it's a window. Oh, it's a glass of rainwater? Oh man. It's a jar full of orange peels. Oh man. You got me a salad? Oh. It's you got me one of those telephones. It's a keyboard made out of it's tea bags for my eyes? It's a rubber cucumber. It's a condom. No. It's a vegetable dildo. Oh man. You got me a live chicken? Oh, it's a real beard. You got me a real beard? Ah, oh, sweet. Merry Christmas.